Here's one of the biggest mistakes that may be keeping you from starting your dryer vent cleaning business. And this is something that holds a lot of people back from starting a business, any type of business. And it's a simple mistake. It's simply zooming so far in on what you need to get started that you lose sight of what you currently have. About 1.5 years ago, I was helping a good friend of mine hang some cabinet doors, and I grabbed his drill, and what do you know? It was the same drill I had borrowed from him when I started Dryer Vent Tech back in 2017. I slick got a little emotional because I was in a very sketchy place financially when I started my business. So I had to zoom in on what I had and use it to make something happen quickly. And what I had was a skill set. I knew how to do SEO, search engine optimization, and I had a vehicle, and I had a little bit of money, and I had a friend who was willing to loan me his drill. I went and bought a cheap dryer vent cleaning kit from Lowe's and a $50 shop vac, and I started by cleaning my friend's dryer vent, the one who loaned me his drill. In the meantime, I set up my website and Google Business Profile and started ranking it on Google in my area for dryer vent cleaning search phrases. I eventually was able to buy my own drill and upgrade my equipment, quickly scale to 6 figures a year, and I'm now married with 4 kids and a 5th baby on the way. And Dryer Vent Tech supports my family and also allows me to work from home and have the time freedom to spend more time with my family. And it all started with this drill and a few other cheap pieces of equipment. You can either get hung up on what you think you need. Some people swear up and down that you need an expensive air compressor, a fancy van with a full wrap, or this or that, when as long as you have the bare necessities to get the job done right, you can get started and get better equipment later. There's never a lack of resources, only a lack of resourcefulness. If you're resourceful, you'll get the resources you need in due time. If you approach this with an abundance mentality instead of a lack mentality, the possibilities are beyond what you can imagine. But you do need to know what you're doing. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't, and they end up making big mistakes that hold them back from growing, give them a bad reputation, or worse, get them sued and put out of business. I was actually meeting a property manager for an apartment complex a few years ago who told me the company who had cleaned their dryer vents previously went out of business after getting sued because they made a mistake that resulted in a dryer fire. Remember, we're dealing with a fire hazard. Can you use basic tools? Yes. Is it usually pretty simple? Yes. But you have to make sure you know what you're doing or it could end badly. You also need to make sure you know what you're doing when it comes to growing your business. But first things first is look at the big picture, then look at what you have, then look at what you need and figure out how to use what you have to get what you need. Start small and think big. And whatever you do, be sure to get started. Every moment you wait, you become less likely to ever take action. You're not getting younger, you're getting older. You're running out of time. Use the time you have now to make changes that positively impact your future. Hey, if this video was helpful, like it, share it, and comment below. And also, if you want help starting your dryer vent cleaning business, then test drive the Dryer Vent Profits Mastermind for free. We help you skip the guesswork and quickly start smart. We've already helped lots of men build solid businesses, and we can help you too. Just click the link in the description below and start your test drive today. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. God bless.